So now we're going to the second practice. I'm not going to explain a lot here. I'm going to just draw the things for you. If you need more explanation, please refer back to the previous video there. So here I have already told you that how to just put this image on trading view. Okay, so here you can have there. Okay, we're gonna start from here. Okay, from here we're gonna go up. Let's just set up. Let's get started. Okay, that's gonna take this pass through here. Okay, so here we have the low of this candle. It goes up, takes the other one. This one is sidebar. We're gonna ignore this one. It's a sidebar, but the high is taken. So we're gonna go from down, this high of this one again to this one. So also we have this inside bar here. We're gonna go up the movement here because we have outside bar after this one. So we're gonna consider the movement before the inside bar. So we're gonna go from there up there. Okay. Again, this is inside bar, but the other candle after inside bar is taking the high of it. So we're gonna plot the low of this one. And this one again goes down here. We're gonna go up. This is inside bar again. We ignore that, but this high is taken the after inside bar. So we're gonna continue up there and here. We have this one, there, this one, and this is inside bar. So consider this one, but the high is taken there. Again, this one goes down, up there. These are easy inside bar, but the movement was up. Later, we're going to go this one and here. So now, yeah, again, this is taken by this one, but the human was inside. I just consider this one sidebar. It's not a big deal here. So now this one is going there. This is also inside bar. So we're gonna plot this there, connect this one to there, and like this. So this candle, bearish candle is inside bar for this bullish candle here. And if I want to microscopic because we have consecutive inside bar inside this one. So this one is higher than that one. So I'm going to go in details and inside these candles and inside bar candles and plot them like this. Other again, the same scenario that happened here. So this is happening here as well. So that's why I'm considering the movement inside. So from here it went down, from there, from here it went up again here, up again down, and down this one. So let's pause this video and what other exercise if you want, you can take this out of this reference to check them later. So I'm going to plot the other one during number three of the series. We have five of them, so this is number three. Number two, so we're going to work. It's getting a little harder and harder. Later, we're going to have multi-time frame. So you will see that in drill three and drill four and drill five after drill three. So you'll have multi-frame bar and you'll get the hang of that as well. Just a second, let me pause this video and continue from there. So I decided to just also pull up, I show you how to just put the image here. So we have gone to do two of them. Now we're going to the third one here. Now let me open it up. Just a second, while we just uploading. Now, okay. Now let me larger again. This practice is, I think, the way much harder there is. So now, it's our team pad. We start there, down. We are taking the low of it. So high of it, again low of it, again high of it, again here. So now also this candle is inside bar, but this candle is taking the low of this inside bar. So we have this moment, but this went up experience here, again went down, Again, this one is taken. Again, this. So it's going now. Nothing has happened here to the nose until we get here. So we're gonna go there, then here also, then down, up. So up is highest taken. So I'm going to just consider this one. Then here we go, like this. It goes up. I think that you have already got the hang of it how to do that. Okay, so now there are and now see what this is on other part. So I taken, this is on sidebar, and this is taken, and also that one is taken, so I'm going to put that one as well here. There's here, there, here, there, here. Okay. Now I'm just clicking the high and low the candles, comparing them. So if there's any move, change here, or you considering that, and go like this. So sometimes you say that, okay, and maybe we know this guy showing how it works. So what is the use of it? You'll learn how to use them later. So here I'm going to also, yeah, my mom. Here, now let me do this one for you. After it is finished, I'm going to show you how you can use it. So these candles, that these cancelings are also part of the higher time frame candles, right? So you will see in the other practices that how you will just put them close to each other and you can find out which direction and which side is stronger. So this is the whole, I mean, complete solved one. You can take a screenshot of this one if you want. So in the other video, I'm going to use drill number 4 and drill number 5, show you how we can use them one inside another. But for now, if you want to consider this one, okay, so if you are considering this counseling, okay, so if you want to connect them, just if you can compare this one with its lower time frame, here we have like a trend uh, channel, right? Channel that we have. Then later here we have chopping market, but we have also some channels. So for example, let's say somebody is using what? Trend lines. Okay. Does it work? Of course it works if you know how to use it, right? So now you cannot put channels here, right? But you can put channels there. Okay. If you just find 3 points, so you can plot the channel there. So this is the way we're gonna use it, right? So sometimes, okay, it is going up and up. If you just plot the channels here, that works in this scenario, as I already mentioned, okay, the first step that you have to use whenever you analyze it, you have to find what the market cycle is. Market cycle is market structure plus momentum. Okay, so if you don't know what market cycle you are in, you want to lose your money. Okay, so here also we have 3 points. So this one to this one, for example, some people use it like this. Okay, so you take the trade here, a sell trade here, and you're just going to get something like, yes, like here. Okay, you can do this one, or you can take the trade here and go down based on time frame, or you can take the trade after 3 consecutive swings are formed. You can have this rough idea where and what direction they are going. Or if you want to just put the bigger time frame in here, okay, this is our bigger time frame. Goes down, okay, and here we have one, 3 of them. This one, and this one. So I don't want to just confuse you. Okay, these are the systems that they work. Okay, but the point is that you have to find a way that works best for you, makes sense for you, rather than any other one. Okay, now you'll see it in the other video. So see you in the other one.